Welcome to navi3. In this video we show you how to check and maintain the pump propeller of your proliner, proliner plus or proliner navi3. The propeller can be obstructed by dirt or even block the pump. You should therefore check the propellers about twice a year. Place the proliner in a stable position so that you can work on the underside. Use the Torx screwdriver included in the scope of delivery or a suitable tool and unscrew the cover. Now unscrew the propeller. To do this, block the rotor with a second screwdriver. Remove the propeller. After removing the propeller, make sure that the cylindrical pin behind the propeller does not fall out. Carefully remove this from the motor shaft. Now remove hair and other dirt. Reinsert the cylindrical pin. Also check the propeller for dirt before reinstalling. Mount the propeller. Screw the propeller back on. Put the cover back in place and screw it on. This completes the process. Thanks for watching. You can find more information about our products on our website and on our YouTube channel.